Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today I am back with another LeetCode daily challenge and it is LeetCode number 1015, smallest integer divisible by k. And it is a medium level question and I don't like the question, and you can see that the dislike is more than the like. So this is not an intuitive questions. Okay, so let's do it. So given a positive integer k, you need to find the length of the smallest positive integer n such that n is divisible by k and n only contain the digit 1. Return the length of n. If there is no such n, return -1. Note n may not fit in a 64-bit signed integer. For example, k. Okay, I will explain this example in the explanation part. So let's see the constant. So k ranges from 1 to 10 to the power 5. Okay, so let's back to the explanation. Okay, so they said that they will provide an k value. Let's suppose the k is 3 and we have to find a number by only using one only, like 1 or 1 1 or 1 1 1 or 1 1 1 1, like this. So we have to do this and we have to find out the number which is divisible by this k. Okay, like if I take 1 1 1, so it is the smallest number which is divisible by 3. How? Let's see, 1 1 1 and it is 3, so 0 0, so it will be 1. Now it is again 1, it is 3 3 is a 9 and it is 21. Okay, 21 so 21. So you can see this is divisible, and single one is not divisible by, and single one one is also not divisible by 3. Okay, it will give a remainder of 2, and the next one 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 will uh, divisible. So the answer here will be 3, the length of this. Okay, so the length, or I can say the answer is 3. I can say this here also, that for k it is 3, as it is 111 is divisible by 3, it is 3. Okay, so similarly we have to find out this for value for k, and k range is from 1 to 10 to the power 5. So it is obvious thing that it is we cannot generate a number of like uh, such length. Okay, because it will overflow the long also. Our long has 64-bit integer type, so it will overflow. And they also said that here node n may not fit in the 64-bit signed integer. Okay, so how can we solve it? So before we start go to solve it, I there is lot of observation here and it takes me a very long time to solve this question. So let me show you. Okay, so if we only generate any number from 1. Okay, so the any number which is generated is only contains 1 only. So you can easily say that all the even number, okay, cannot be generated from this. Like if a number, if a k is divisible by 2. Okay, it means it is a k is a even number, and even number cannot divide an odd number. Okay, so it will always throw an reminder. So if it is a 0, then we have to return -1. Okay, and similarly if k modulo 5 is also equals to 0, then also we have to return -1, because all the 5 multiple is 5 25, the last digit always remains 5, so it is not possible to generate a number with last number as 5. So it is not possible. Okay, so these two are the base condition, you can say. Okay, you just simply return -1. It is one of the observation. Now here is a problem that the number we can generate is very long and it will not fit in any data type. So what can we do? So I must say you have to back to your school time. Okay, so when we learned how to divide or how to multiply something. So if you see this example, you can see that every time we just take out the remainder and we just add the next number to it. multiply by 10. Like here, if it gives the reminder after this step, it gives the reminder 1, and we just simply, what in mathematical term, what we can say, we can say that I just multiply it with 10 and just add 1, so it will be 11. So this is here. Okay, then after there we get a reminder of 2, then we simply again do this thing, 10, then again plus 1, so it is 21. So the next number is always depend on the reminder. Okay, so we can get something to solve this question. So okay, so this is the best means, what I can say, the new reminder, I just keeping nr is old reminder into 10 plus 1 the whole modulo k. Okay, modulo k means it will provide reminder. Here k is 3, so I divide and I got a reminder, so this is provide a new reminder. Okay, so one more observation is this, like if I say for 3, okay, so we can generate this number, this similarly like this. So here you can see that I have written down all the remainder. You can see that after this number it is repeating. Now you can, now what can we do now? We just simply iterate through a loop. Okay, and we just keep a track of the count, like what is the length. As the loop iterate, we just add 1 1 1 1 1, so the count will initially 1, and our reminder is also initially 1, and we iterate through the loop till we get a reminder as 0. If we get a reminder as 0, we just return the count. Okay, if I got a reminder equals to 0, okay, if rem is equals to 0, just return the count, or else just simply just simply continuously go through the loop. Okay, so here we just simply, what we'll do, we just simply check. So this thing we have to keep on doing until we found a reminder is 0. Okay, and you will definitely get a reminder if you handle these two cases separately. Okay, before performing looping, you just have to handle this separately, then you will surely get a reminder. And the time complexity of this code is again, it is log of k. It will not go beyond this. Okay, and the space complexity of is of 1. So let's go through the code. So this is the code. I have handled the k and phi separately, and I just, this is n is just the reminder. Okay, so I just written is n is equals to 1, because we have to start from single digit number, and I just count the it as 1. Okay, as the digit increases, the count also increases, and I just perform the same thing as I explained in the explanation part, and until it the loop will go until the n mod k gives 0. When the n mod k gives 0, I just simply return the length. Okay, the count variable is nothing but the length of the number we are creating. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, you can, I have tested two number, you can take 2 3 4 5 and just run it. Okay, accepted. Okay, let me submit. I hope you all understand this concept. So see you tomorrow. Thank you, goodbye.